pull me off this one. Pull on this one. Brilliant. Pull on the metal bar. Fantastic, Esther, you are so strong. Give me a high five, Esther. Very good. Very good. All right. Some people still haven't noticed. I know. I tell you what, I'll escape. We'll move on to the next part of the show. Larry, are you ready? You are ready. Of course you're ready. He's got me. All right, Larry, shake the fabric dramatically. That's very good. I'll come down. I'll come down. Yeah, there we go. How's that? Is that good? All right, hold the fabric up a little bit higher. I'll duck, Larry. I'll duck. How about that? I'll duck down. Okay, everybody. Oh, very good, Larry. Everybody counting down. Hang on, count from, tell you what, let's just do it from 5. Everybody counting down.